I want to keep this for the rest of my life. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have another unboxing for you, and this one here is of the YumeTwins subscription box. I've done 2 of these on my channel so far. The first ever unboxing that I did was actually a YumeTwins unboxing, and then I did one in July last year, I think it was, so almost a full year ago now since I've unboxed one of these. YumeTwins did actually gift me this box to unbox on camera, which I'm super excited about as I really do love their boxes, so I'm excited to see what's in the July 2019 one. So I think I'm going to film this like overhead so that you can see things a little bit better rather than me just standing up here kind of like doing all this. So yeah, hopefully that goes okay, and yeah, let's just get straight on into it. So with all the boxes they have this clear seal on, so I'm just going to cut through that. So we have this little lovely text here, and it seems to be super full. And this is what it looks like inside. So start with the little leaflets. This is always off to a good start. Samika Garashi, Sailor Moon, we've got Hello Kitty, My Melody and Kirby up there. July 2019, which is the volume 38. This is going to tell us everything inside of here, so we won't go through it. Oh my goodness, I love that so much. Yeah, we won't go through it too quick, but here we are. Right, let's have a little look. Oh my goodness. So I love that in the little leaflet, and we actually have one, an inflatable Kirby. Oh my goodness, I am so excited for this. So obviously it just says to blow it up. I'm going to do that in a minute once I've gone through the whole box. I'm so excited. Look at the little face. Oh my goodness. So cute. There's actually some quite big things in here. What? I can't believe it. This is the most perfect thing for summer. This fits the pool party theme so well. So we've got Hello Kitty, Little Twin Stars, Cinnamoroll, Pom Pom Purin and My Melody up there. I just love this. This is the coolest thing I've ever seen. Don't even need batteries or anything. What is this? Is that a water squirter? Shut up. It's got a water squirter. Please tell me that's a water squirter. Let me read in here. A handy mist fan. Yep. Honestly, you put water in it. That is the best thing I've ever seen. Oh my goodness. There was a pastel Samika Garashi one you could have got. Oh, I'm actually really sad I didn't get that one now. Really happy with the one I've got, but would have loved that one even more. If you get that one in your box, you have to let me know because I'm really jealous and I want to see it. But I can't believe this. This is the coolest thing. Why am I so impressed with this? Who knows? I just love this so much. This is fully licensed as well by Sanrio. It's all in Japanese though, so I actually can't read it. But fully licensed. That is what I love about the YumeTwins box. Everything is always licensed by really cool brands and everyone that I love. I love that so much. So the next thing in here looks to be like a little bag charm, and it is just Korilakkuma with a strawberry charm there. Do you see that? Like look, there's this little kind of like rubbery silicone one, which is perfect as I just got a strawberry backpack for the summer, and then Korilakkuma charm on there as well. Absolutely love that. Again, it's fully licensed just by Sanex. Look at that. We got the shiny little seal of approval on there. I just love it. I'm sure there would have been different designs that you actually got in this box, so again we can look through this little leaflet and have a little zoom in. Yeah, so there's Gudetama, Rilakkuma with pancakes, Hello Kitty with her little bow, My Melody with a little cookie, and then Korilakkuma with a strawberry. I would have loved Rilakkuma with the pancakes or Gudetama, but the fact that I got a strawberry backpack now is amazing because this will go on there perfectly. Ooh. So the next thing that we have is this little pouch, which again, Rilakkuma bakery license and everything like that. It feels really, really nice quality. Just got this little zip on here, just some little foam and stuff inside. But this would be perfect to keep like little bits of change in, little charms and everything that you have in, maybe kicking around. Again, fully licensed, not your rip-off, your cheap versions or anything like that. They've gone full on in on this box. I can't get over it. Everything is lovely. We'll look through the leaflet again to see if there's any more designs. Oh my goodness, there was. Okay, so here's the designs you could have got. So the one that I got, which was the Rilakkuma one, there's a, I think that's Hello Kitty, Simikagarashi. I'm so sad I didn't get any Simikagarashi. Pom Pom Purin, and then a, if I can see closely, it's a Cinnamoroll. It's a bit kind of washed out, that one. But love all of these. Love them so much. Just can't go wrong with Rilakkuma, can you? Look at that. Isn't that just adorable? Same print on both sides. I love it. Now, it does say on this leaflet that they included Gudetama sticky notes. In my box, I haven't seen any of them, but I did just see this little leaflet that says how they, you know, make their stuff in advance. They, however, haven't been able to include the Gudetama sticky notes, so they've put Pokemon stickers in instead. So yeah, these are the stickers that I got in my box, which I'm actually super happy with, because I actually have a lot of Gudetama sticky notes from boxes such as like Kawaii box and everything like that. They seem to be really repetitive with putting like the Gudetama sticky notes in there, so I do actually have about 3 or 4 sets of them, so I'm actually quite pleased to have something different. So yeah, these are the little Pokemon stickers. I've never actually received any Pokemon themed stuff before in a little box, so I'm actually pleasantly surprised they've replaced them with these. Aren't they adorable? Look at Dio there. So cute. The last thing included was a Sailor Moon jar. It just says to keep accessories, cosmetics or candies inside. It comes in a pink or purple design, and we seem to have the purple one. So it just comes in a box like so. Look at this. This is actually adorable. It's fully licensed again. Oh my goodness. You just can't get enough of it. If you want quality stuff, like quality kawaii and branded kawaii stuff, this is definitely the box for you. Like, I've not been disappointed with one yet. Ugh, I hate polystyrene. Does anybody else? Here's the little canister. Oh my goodness. How cool is this? This is so cool. Oh my goodness, this is so fancy. This is gonna look so good on my shelf. I'm gonna keep so many things in this. Look at that. How fancy is that? No, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not a huge Sailor Moon fan, but I love this. This is so cool, matches my aesthetic perfectly, and I'm obsessed. Would I have preferred it to be Simikagarashi? Probably, but I love it. Look at it. It is so beautiful. What's not to like? Obviously they did a pink one. I kind of feel like I like the purple one better because I already have a lot of pink stuff in my room, but I'm a fan. I love everything in this box. I'm going to go ahead and just inflate Kirby now. My life. I just love it. So as usual, I will keep all of the links and everything like that down in the description down below. If I can get hold of a code for you, I will include that too. Make sure you go and check out YumeTwins website. It would mean a lot. They often sell like the stuff they include in like previous boxes on their website as well, so make sure to check that out and see if you can get hold of one of these, because this is the best thing that I've ever received in a subscription box ever. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up, and I will see you very soon for another one. Bye.